Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive travel website with the hover effects and flexbox. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. This entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we are in the home section. You can see the navbar, about, services, tour and contact and the login. Next we have we can select the date, year and time and search the destination and book your tickets. Then we have total customers and the years of experience and total destinations and average rating. You can see the box shadow effect and how we aligned it at the center, the image and the bottom. It gives a really professional look to your website. And then we have the locations, some of the locations in the Indonesian tourism. You can see the hover effect on the image. Then we have how to book your tickets, that is find your destination, book a ticket, make payment and explore more. Here you can see I have used the buttons, the icons that are available in the box icons. You can see box icons are there are a lot of types of icons available, and this is the hover effect along with icons I've added. It's 4.7 star, 4.9 star. Try to add icons also. Icons give a bit of professional look to your website. More you can get more interactivity with your website. The hover effect, and you can see the button. As we hover onto it, it moves towards upside, as well as it gets a box shadow around it. And this entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So no need to be like it. It is a very beginner friendly. Even the latest people who want to learn web development, it will be a very good and easy to learn code. This website is also available in mobile and tab version. So let me show you that. This is the desktop version as you've seen before. Now let's view the mobile version. So this is the mobile version, and you can see the menu bar over here. You can see the glass morphism type. You can see the background clearly. Then we have the login. Then you can select the date, time and year of and search the location. Then we have the information about the tag, then the locations. You can see how evenly they are aligned in the entire space. The website is really looking very professional, and it is also available in tab version. This is the tab version of the website. I've used the flexbox, box shadow, as well as hover effects, mostly hover effects. It will give very professional look to your website. Definitely try to learn hover effects, flexbox. These are the very important topics in CSS. Source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.